Hi friends, this is Brijesh here from Deal Money Securities Private Limited. So welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be discussing the technical structure of Bank of Baroda. Being the PSU, we have seen that in last 2 3 years we have seen lots and lots of news coming on from government on the PSU sector. We have seen mergers of various Bank of Baroda also seen 2 3 banks merger into it. And if I just look at the stock price action right from 2018, so in 2018 we had price of 206 as a high in October 2017, and we have seen right back to the fall of around 45 46 levels in the span of around 26 27 months, and it been corrected nearly 75%. So we are left with 25% of the price right from 2018 2017 end. Now if I just look at the whole structure right from 2009, being this is the monthly chart, which means that the every bar is of 1 month. So if I just look at the 2008 2009 fall, in 2008 we where the stock was trading at around 100, dipped to around the lows of 34. From 34 we have seen a strong upside momentum in 1 year, where stock has risen from 34 to 200. So being at 200, we have seen multiple resistance zone over here, and price taking resistance at 200 220 and slipping back. If I just look at the 1 year structure we have seen in 2018 2019, last 1 year the stock made a high of around 144 and back to now 46 levels. So if I just look at the technical structure, if I just look at the technical structure, there are multiple harmonic patterns which are visible on the stock price. So this is being of the one, if I just look at the momentum, this is the one pattern which is very much a reversal in nature, and basically these harmonic patterns are calculated on the Fibonacci based number. So basically if I just look at, this is a 5 point pattern. So X and A being a 34 to 200 and rally, which was 70% rise, rallied right towards 113%. And if I just look at this fall, right at here it's been at around 90%, and being 88.6%, there is a bullish shark. So blue is the bullish shark pattern, and if we look at, there are multiple structure or pattern over here. So if I just let me mark over here, so this is the bullish shark. Okay, if I just look at the second pattern, okay, so second pattern here, if I just look at the structure, this is the second pattern, where if I just draw X A B C and D again. So let me change the color for you to be a clear pattern. So if I just let color it as a red, okay, and just make it slightly darker for you to visible. Okay, if I just look at this structure, it's being a bullish butterfly. So basically bullish butterfly, the B retracement should be around 78.6%, and it is nearly 82. So it's very much near. If I just look at the reversal in nature, the D is has to be 127.2 of XA. So in this case it's around 129, so which is very much similar. Okay, if I just look at a slightly lower time frame over here, okay, or slightly not lower time frame, but I would stick to the same chart. But if I just look at these momentum right from 144 to 86, we are witnessing one A B C and D pattern. So basically what is AB equal to CD pattern, which means that the fall, uh, the siege, I let me change the color for you to easily understandable. So let it color the be orange, okay, for us. Yeah, so if I just take a orange color for you all, okay, it seems that orange and red are matching. So let me change the color to green now. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so if I just look at the structure, when C retraces at around 38.2%, the B to C projection at D should be around 261. So in this case, we are nearly 261.8, though it's slightly exaggerated toward 273, but let it consider at 261. So if I just look at the whole structure, so we are witnessing three bullish patterns. So first is the blue one, which is the shark. The red one is bullish butterfly. So the red one is bullish butterfly. And if I just look at the green, it is bullish AB equal to CD. So AB equal to CD, and it's been green color, so let me put it into the green first. Okay, great. Now if I just look at the RSI, which is generally known as a strength, okay, and if I just look at the RSI over here, or even MACD, if you look at the MACD, so let's look at RSI first. Generally its strengths indicates the strength. Okay, RSI trading at nearly 30 levels, so which is when RSI trades at around 30 or slightly below 30, it is known as the oversold territory. Now if you look at RSI over here, okay, so let me put the horizontal trend line with multiple supports. So if I just look at the RSI over here, it has taken multiple supports over here. And if I just look at the historically low of RSI, the previous historical low was at around 35-36 levels, and we are slightly below those levels. So it means that price are trading into the oversold territory. And if I just look at the price action, we are, yes, a time for a reversal. So harmonic basically are into a reversal trading pattern. Now if I just look at the MACD, let me delete this RSI, and if I just look at the MACD, it is also trading into the lower zone. Okay, so we are trading MACD at a historical lows. Now let me move on to the slightly lower time frame charts. Okay, so if you look at the MACD over here, now the histogram are slowly slightly changing into the positive and changing its color. Now even if you look at the RSI on weekly chart, it is at the lowest level, historical low. And if I think historical low RSI is generally tends to give a good reversal sign. So at price action, RSI and MACD both indicating a reversal sign, it's time to go long on Bank of Baroda. So we recommend going long on Bank of Baroda at around 48-49. We are expecting these move towards the target of around 65 in a 2-3 months of point of view. And if these price action continue on the bullish side more, we are expecting this stock to rally towards is 85 to 90 level, which is nearly doubler from here. So one can keep a stop loss of 43 because these patterns are reversal in nature, and we would suggest that we are catching a falling knife. Stop loss seems a must at current juncture. So 43 on a closing basis is a stop loss for us. So stop loss is hardly 10 rupees, 10%, which is around 4 rupees, and we suggesting going long and expecting a target of 65 initial targets, which is 30% from current point of time. And in case these momentum continue, it might be around 85 to 90 levels on the upside. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for new updates and new trade setups. Thank you.